Hey, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're going to be cooking you
a sumptuous Christmas burger.
Sounds fantastic. It's got your favourite veggie burger, plus a stuffing patty, Brussels sprouts, and all of the flavours of Christmas.
And if you like this video, you should subscribe to the channel because we've got loads more videos just like this coming your way soon. That's so good.
It's incredible. Wow. Our Christmas burger with a stuffing patty, Brussels sprouts, and a little bit of cranberry.
I reckon that stuffing patty made it.
Oh, it's so good, so Christmassy. That's going to be the perfect thing for you to eat in that little bit of time between Christmas and New Year and use up your leftovers.
But listen, if you don't want a Christmas burger, go check out our Christmas lasagna or the one tray Christmas dinner.
If you like that, hit subscribe below.
And if you've got anything to say, let us know in the comment section.
But for now, bish,
Bash,
bosh!